You didn't even make it 5 seconds.
Nope. Anyways, so it's Sunday. Nice, cloudy Sunday. Day after the wide body. And we were sitting in the living room this morning just bullshitting about the exhaust on the Silvia. Just kind of thinking about what I need to get, what I should do. And we were like, well, we have some extra pipe lying around. We could just take off the muffler and chop it, weld up a blast pipe to it. So, yeah. Exhaust is off. It's an old NVIDIA RSR. I never heard of it. Didn't even know NVIDIA made shit for Nissans. But now I know. And I'm about to cut it in half and weld a pipe to it. This should be fun. I'm hoping to make Silvia a little bit louder, at least get some noise out of the exhaust tone, so it's not as fucking quiet and boring when I'm rolling down the road, because how can I possibly own an S chassis and not piss off everybody in a 100-yard radius? So, yeah, we're about to chop it. We already got the exhaust off. Only sheared one bolt, thankfully.
Yep, but I've also got a replacement.
Yep.
I actually got 2 replacements.
Tucker dug up some spare hardware.
Yep, so we should be good. And I also got a spare gasket too.
We'll get back to it. So, I know I've talked about the Silvia being low, complained about it, but let's just, you know, yeah, that's pretty low. Getting a little bit of rubbish, a little bit of scrapage, a little bit of scraping there.
Getting there.
Scrape, you know, along the bottom of the muffler.
You're getting warmer.
Nothing there, nothing there. It sits up, oh, a little bit more scrapage. That's fine. There we go. That is fucking flat. I'm surprised I don't have any. Well, I do have an exhaust leak.
You do have an exhaust leak,
Farther up, but
we're fixing that.
Just look at Jesus. My resonator has a hole in it too. It's kind of small, but you can see there I have a hole in my resonator from scraping. But yeah, this car's pretty low. Pretty fucking gnarly low, dude.
Oh, look at those tacks, boy.
That one has a hole in it, though.
I know, I don't want to talk about it.
Dumbass.
Take off your fucking Mickey Mouse hands.
Shut up, man.
Murder.
S chassis things.
240.
Oh, he just said 240. Haha.
You didn't even get it.
He's like, you right, 240.
Yeah, 240.
It's not a 240.
It's okay, Tucker's car is basically a 240. You sure you want it that long?
We'll see. I need to step back and see what it looks like.
Jesus.
Blast pipe. Okay, it's not tight, so don't wiggle it.
As he wiggles it.
Yeah, we'll chop a little bit off though. And then we'll throw a hanger on it, and then we'll start it up. And I'm gonna be super fucking pissy if it sounds the same.
I love it.
Product placement.
Product placement. You guys ready? Yeah, send it.
Make sure it's not in gear.
Still cold, I don't want to run it.
Yeah.
Give it a little tappy tap.
Maybe a little tap. It's a little lower tone. Then when you do your test pipe can bolt up.
You're definitely gonna hear it on the road now. It's not just gonna be a quiet.
I told you it's gonna sound. It sounds just like the SRT straight pipe. The SR20s are weirdly similar.
I can really justify that they hate us sticker.
Yeah. Where are you gonna put it?
Right there.
Go close. Okay.
Steven? Steven?
Just walk forward.
Steven?
Just keep walking forward, and then
Steven?
if there's a car coming, you won't have to worry about this anymore.
Please be a car.
My name's Tucker, and I'm the fabricator. fabricator master because I welded one bash bar. Anything?
Nothing. Nothing. Oh. Steel. This is why we can't allow to be able to pick out.
That's a fucking
tip.
That's a fucking blast pipe.
Ooh, we
do
could
it.
burn the
Let's
tip.
make a
See,
Focus.
you see how like the glowing bit kind of travels with you?
Yeah, it's kind of following. Well, it looks cool from inside.
I know. If we had more powerful torch, we'd be able to make it more obvious. And where's that patch?
Yep.
Can you imagine just touching it?
You know what's funny? I put it on the on the inner side of the rubber gasket thing that mounts up to your bracket, so it actually evens out. Like if you look at it on like the backside, it's like an even line with
Okay, get out.
the tunnels.
Get out.
Shut up!
Get out!
Fuck you!
It's dope for a fucking shitty torch and
A half-ass weld.
You're in the way.
You're in the way.
It's good clearance too.
Can you take this back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Whenever, get your money back.
You put the gasket in, right?
Yeah, it's got a brand new gasket in it.
Cool. The drawer that's open.
I can see why that makes sense. Portable station.
What?
Portable station.
My work here is done.
Goes back to the corner of the cane.
Wait, hold on. Can you get the mic?
Ready?
Yep. There's an exhaust leak. There's an exhaust leak somewhere. You can hear it. Put your head down there.
The sort's the front.
It's probably that hole in the resonator, honestly. Once it warms up, I'll annoy the neighbors one last time tonight.
Are you recording yourself?
Snapchat. I want to get a video, see if I can hear it on video. Your car off?
Yeah.
Oh,
That way mine flips off because it doesn't.
yeah.
So that way you can hear yours.
It idles different now. I'll do a drive by Tucker, and then we can do a circle around. It's a little meaner.
Yeah, it's deeper for sure. Not bad.
No, not bad at all.
I don't think it's as loud as you thought it was gonna be.
It's
You
loud
probably
enough
thought-
though.
You probably thought it was gonna be.
I figured it'd be about as loud as the Civic.
That's really funny though. Deleting an entire muffler and it just did that.
Maybe changes the tone a little bit.
Yeah. Not too bad though. I mean, it's a quick thing. So. Get it?